yes, they look beautiful. They're almost $10 a pound, and I want to give them a taste. What I really need to try is that pliers trick. Have you guys seen that? Where you just stick a pair of pliers in, grab the pit, and twist it out. Cross-section reveal. It's not as red as I thought it was gonna be. So I think the outside is what they're talking about with red velvet. When I taste new produce that I've never had before, I try to taste it as plain as possible. No salt, no sugar, no olive oil, no nothing. So nothing fancy, just a slice of this plum. Pretty good, it's tart. I would say it needs a couple more days to ripen a little bit. Here's why you buy more than one. Look at the difference. You see how this one is a little bit riper? It's got a little bit more of a pink hue on the inside. Let's see if this tastes any different. Okay, slice. This is important. Sweeter, much more rounded. It doesn't have that sharp acid that this first one had. Not to say that the tart one is bad. I think the acidity that plums provide can be really, really good in a dish. Texturally, these hold up. They don't have too much crunch, so you could almost dice these or pickle these and they aren't gonna bleh into nothing. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite stone fruit this time of year? These are called red velvet plums.